Monogeneans are a group of really cool and interesting looking parasitic worms, and I feel like a lot of people don't know about them. They primarily infect fish and amphibians, although a couple species have been found in things like turtles, and there's one species that infects mammals. And one of their more striking features is their posterior end is these really crazy shapes. These are actually adhesive attachment organs that make up a structure called the opisthopter. And they use these structures to latch on to their host, usually the gills of fish. There are two major groups of monogeneans, the mono and polyopisthocotlia. They're basically separated by how many suction cups do they have on their opisthopter. The monos have one major attachment organ, while the polys have a bunch of little suction cups they use to latch onto their host. And earlier this year, a new species of monogenean was discovered. This new worm species is called Nazi gulper, and you can see there's one major suction cup at the bottom, so that would put this in the monoepisthocotlia. Now, believe it or not, even though we can get some pretty good images like this of parasitic worms, it's actually still a pretty common practice to sketch out new species when you discover them. In fact, a lot of papers, when they describe a new species of parasitic worm, their only figures are the sketches rather than images of the worm themselves. But that's an aside. Where did they discover this cool new worm? Well, this worm was found in the gills of a gulper shark. Summer is pretty much here, so I've been in the mood for highlighting some really cool shark parasites. And while sharks do get their fair share of monogeneans, there's plenty of other cool parasites that they get, and I'm really excited to talk about them.